Now we are discussing about accelerated graphics port, AGP. Whenever the CPU wants to communicate with any graphics data, if we are using the PCI slot, because sir you told PCI, we can use PCI to connect any port, so video card we can connect to PCI, we can use. But if we do not use the dedicated bus for the graphics data, it will slow down your CPU. The processor will slow down. When we are using the AGP port, there is no doubt, it is an alternative to PCI. Peripheral component interconnect alternative. So definitely it will work like PCI only. But it is having a dedicated bus for the graphics. It has the direct access to the memory. PCI cannot access memory directly, but AGP can access directly memory. That is the advantage. We are using this for 3D graphics. 3D graphics means for gaming, and for 3D video we can use this AGP port. Here we are having channel width of 32, and because it is accessing the graphics data, we have to give our main memory. We should not use the video memory. AGP is using the main memory, direct access with the main memory. It will not use the simple video memory only. It was introduced in 1996. Whenever we are using the AGP slot for the AGP port, that should be supported by the chipset. We have discussed in chipset two bridges, north bridge and south bridge. North bridge controls the flow of the information from CPU to AGP. If AGP is available and a north bridge is available, then only it is possible to control the information flow. If there is no north bridge there, then at the time AGP slot was not there. We already discussed in 1996, already ATX was introduced. So this AGP port and AGP slot was introduced in ATX. The chipset whatever we are using, north bridge, it is controlling the information flow. A dedicated bus we are having specifically for the graphics data. So whatever the data that is going in the bus, only graphics data. If we are not using graphics data, then that AGP port will become still. It will not be allocated for any other data. That is free bus. It is like for VIP. If any one line we have set for any VIP, that line, or example if you see in some places they will keep this is reserved for MLA or this is reserved for one VIP. If that VIP comes, then only that place will be accessed by him. If that VIP does not come, then that place will not be accessible by any other person. Okay, this is about the AGP. We can discuss more elaborately about AGP in future.